Hello everyone, welcome to ROCFT Institute. So in the last video I was unable to explain fully about the chapter light energy. Today in this video I'll be explaining the remaining part of the chapter. But keep in mind that I was not having the book, that is why I was not able to explain. So if you haven't watched the first video, you should go and watch that one first. Light energy, we have done everything. We have covered the reflection of light, how to draw ray diagrams, and what are the procedures for writing the points for ray diagrams. I've also taught on those videos about what is the incident ray and what are the reflected ray, what is normal. So everything has been discussed in that video. Today we will learn some extra things. So we are going to learn something that is very important. In my previous video I've already said that light is very important if you want to see things, if you want to see the world. And I gave the example that if you are in a dark room and you're not provided with any source of light, not a single one, you will face a very big problem, and the problem will be you won't be able to see. Now that's a common thing, but when there is light you are able to see things, and not just see things, you are able to see things in different colors. So right now if you're seeing me, so my t-shirt over here is gray color, it's white color over here, the logos or writings, they are in black color. My sweater on the other hand is gray color, the hooded part is oranges, some kind of orange color. So why or how you are able to see colors? Obviously light is responsible for that, but how is it happening? Look, there are three basic colors, okay? So one is red, another one is blue, and the last one is green. These three are the basic three colors, okay? And then we have our 7 colors, which those colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. These are the three basic colors, and these are the 7 main colors. These three are the primary colors, okay? Now these colors, red, blue, and green, these are the main ones over here. Why I have written violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red in the form VIBGYOR, VIBGYOR, you will learn later on. But right now you need to pay attention to red, blue, and green. These three colors are very basic colors and the most important ones, because if you combine these three colors, okay, the circles, they look good, I guess. Okay, so here now we have the combination of three different lights, the basic different lights, that is red, green, and blue. Now these three different lights when combined together makes different colors. Green and red makes yellow color. Green and blue, this makes cyan, CYAN, cyan color. Blue and red, this one makes magenta. I know this sounds really weird because you might have heard about the names for the first time, but these are the colors that are formed when they combine. And the intersection, that means this point, the intersection of all of these three different colors, red, green, and blue, makes white color. Draw this diagram. This will give you a bit of understanding of how different colors are made. But this is only the case with light. Okay, only the case with light. You will not find this happening with your oil pastel colors or with your watercolors. This does not happen. You do not get white after mixing red, green and blue watercolors or even pastel colors. This doesn't happen. Why it doesn't happen? It has a different reason for that. Light is made up of photons, whereas those are solid objects. They are made up of atoms, matter. So these things are very different. But in case of light, this is what happens. And that is the reason the white light that you see is a combination of these colors. And not just red, blue or green, but the combination of 7 different colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Now, how can I be so sure about it that white light consists of all of these colors? Now, I'm sure about it because if you take a prism, suppose I have a prism, okay? Suppose I have a prism, and suppose a ray of light, just a single ray of light, passes through the prism. What will I find is, because of diffraction, what happens is, because of diffraction, what happens? This white light gets diffracted. This is a refraction. So white lights get diffracted into 7 different colors. And what are those 7 colors? Those 7 colors are Vib-Goyer. Vib-Goyer, which stands for violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. And they are in continuous form. So you won't find blue light coming up over there and then indigo light coming up down there. They are continuous. Now, why does this happen? This is the part of refraction of light. You will learn about refraction of light in higher classes, not now. But yeah, in a prism, this is what happens. But if we won't go in detail about it. Now, after all of this that has been done, the basic question is, from this prism, you can draw this one. You can draw this one. I would suggest if you draw it. Okay. Now, the basic question that arises is one of the most fundamental things and one of the most occurring things in nature because of refraction that happens, and that is rainbow. The formation of rainbows, that is pretty unique, and now we are going to discuss on that. Okay, so you all might have seen a formation of rainbow. How does it form? After a beautiful rainfall, when the sun rays comes, you find a rainbow. Now, there is a very good explanation for how a rainbow is formed, and that is pretty scientific. And not just that, rainbow formation happens because of refraction of light. What I just said about the prism, that is the same thing that happens and it forms a rainbow. Now what happens is, basically after rainfall, few drops of water or that rainfall, few misty drops is still in the atmosphere, okay? They're falling downwards. Okay, these few drops of rainwater is still there in the atmosphere. And when the sun rays enters the atmosphere, it enters the atmosphere and there is no cloud and the rain is still there, what basically happens is, if you zoom it, so suppose this is our zoomed raindrop. It looks like an egg, but it is not an egg. It's a zoomed in rainfall, a raindrop. I'm writing it down. So this is your raindrop. What basically happens is, when the ray of light enters, when the ray of light hits the raindrop, because of the curvature, see, the raindrop is not flat, it's somewhat round shaped. So because of the curvature of the raindrop, the light gets diffracted. Okay. No, it doesn't matter how you write, but this light is getting diffracted. And what happens when white light gets diffracted? You get different colors of light, and not just different, you get the VIBGOI. And this is how you get a rainbow. You get a beautiful rainbow in the sky, which has 7 different colors. Okay, so this is how you get it. Now, I have a very good question for you. I explained how a rainbow forms, but can you give me the answer to this question? Tell me, why always the rainbow is in this curved shape? Okay, why you don't see a rainbow just straight? Why a rainbow has to be in a curved shape? What is the reason for that? If you can answer this question, I promise you, whatever question you ask from the book, whatever numerical you have, you ask it, I'll answer that. I'll give a full solution of that numerical. And whatever video you would say to me to make it, I'll make that video. So you answer this question and I'll do that. Now, I guess this is done. Yes. So this small part was left in the previous video, and in this video you get the full one. So watch this video carefully. If you do not understand anything, I was pretty fast, rewind the video again, watch it again. You don't have to hurry up. Watch the video twice, thrice, whatever amount of time you like it, and try to understand each and every topic. Thank you everyone, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this and you don't want to miss the new videos, do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, have a nice day, and share this video to your friends. I hope they will like it. Bye bye.